Today, I wanted to show you the changes in lighting that we made in our bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, and our game room, and sharing my thoughts on lighting in a room and the color that you choose. Because, yes, color in lighting makes a big difference.
Hey y'all, I'm Kelly, and this is where cozy meets real life. Welcome to Kelly's Cozy Living.
We had in our bedroom and bathroom the old recessed lighting, and actually in the game room too. It was the ones that has the hole and has the bulb up in there. And the bulbs would blow often, and then whenever you changed out one bulb, if you didn't have the same kind, you would have to change them all out, or I would. I couldn't stand for them to look different. They've got all these new LED flat recessed lighting. So when I found a great deal on Amazon, and I will link everything in the description box on some recessed lighting, we decided to change them out. It made the biggest difference. The old ones, the room felt a lot dingier and dark, and the new ones are way brighter. And another thing that we really like about these lights is it had a slider on the side that you could choose different temperature of lighting. Now, for me, I like warmer lighting because to me that makes a home feel cozy and lived in. But if you go in a warm color or a cool color, that is a personal opinion. I just personally like more towards the warm spectrum, while Bill likes more to the cool spectrum. We started in the bedroom and bathroom where we had those older recessed can lights. We pulled them out and put in new LED recessed lights. Now, before I go one step further, my husband spent years working in the electrical field, so he knows exactly what he's doing here. If electrical work isn't your thing, please don't try to wing it. Call a professional. It is not worth it. But can we talk about how clean recessed lighting looks? Nothing hanging down, nothing in the way. The ceiling actually feels taller, and the light spreads so evenly across the whole room. For these spaces, I went with a warm bulb, 3000 Kelvin. Hold on to that number, because I'm gonna show you exactly what it means here in a few minutes. Then we headed to the laundry room, which had, okay, you know the one, that round builder grade dome light. I'll be nice and just call it a dome light. Instead of swapping it out for another fixture, we went with recessed lighting in here too. And we actually added a second light because one was never quite enough in this room. Made a mess, but we can see. And the difference, it is so much brighter, so much cleaner, and honestly, it makes doing laundry just a little less miserable. And I'll be honest with you, this little project lit a fire under me because I am now planning a full laundry room makeover in the next few weeks. If that's something you want to see, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Okay, let's talk about that number I mentioned. When people talk about lighting, what they really mean is color temperature, and it's measured in something called Kelvin. Here's the easy way to remember it. The lower the number, the warmer and more golden the light. The higher the number, the whiter and cooler it gets. Down here, around 2000 to 2700 Kelvin is your warm, cozy glow. That soft, golden candle by the fire feeling. Now, right in the middle, around 3000 to 4000 Kelvin, you get a nice balanced neutral white, not too yellow, not too blue, kind of the best of both. I think 3000 is a really good spot. It's what I put in our bedroom, our bathroom, and our living room. Anywhere I want to slow down and unwind. And up here around 5,000 Kelvin and higher, you get that bright, crisp daylight white. Now I'll be honest, this one doesn't feel as cozy to me, but it has a job to do. In our garage and our game room, I actually chose this cooler, brighter light on purpose. When you're working on a project, organizing, cleaning, or doing anything that needs good detail, that daylight white makes everything so much easier to see. It's the exact same idea, just flipped because the room is asking for something different. And here's the part I don't think people talk about enough. Your lighting changes how everything else in the room looks. Your paint colors, your furniture, your flooring, your decor, all of it. The exact same room can feel warm, inviting, and relaxing, or bright, clean, and wide awake. And neither one is wrong. It really just depends on how you want to use the space. A bedroom and a workshop are asking for two completely different things, and now you know how to give each one exactly what it needs. If you're looking for a little bit of more of affordable update that can really change your room, consider maybe changing the lighting tone to your room. You can either go to the warmer colors and make it feel more homey, or you can go to the cooler side and give it more that bright feel. Till next time, like and subscribe.